Lady Boss Pet Studio. All about pets.
This is my 10-feet bird cage. I have different kinds of birds: lovebirds, Java, cockatiels, budgies. They're all now staying together. I don't breed them actually because they are all staying together, so the breeding is very difficult, you know. If you have to breed them, you'll have to put them in separate cages and start breeding in that. So I'm not looking into the breeding aspect. They're nice to hear the chirping of the birds, and so it's nice to see them around. In the morning you wake up with the nice chirping of the birds. So I love these birds here, and it's nice to see life, you know. So I love having them. It's a big cage, so I have nearly 30 to 40 birds inside this. Cleaning up the cage is very important. You have to keep the place very clean, then it doesn't smell and all that, you know. The birds will be feeling and infections can come. So clean fresh water should always be there. That's one thing you should always keep. Then their food is always kept around, so whenever they feel hungry, you know, it's there. So, and another thing is we should be careful of snakes. Snakes get attracted to lovebirds, so you know, to keep it closed. Have to be very careful that, you know, the snakes don't enter inside, because they love lovebirds. So that is there. Then that's all. There's not very high maintenance. Only that you have to keep the cage clean, give them fresh water and good food. That's all. You know, being with the birds, loving the birds and all, they are very relaxing for the mind. So it's a good de-stress tool. So ideally people who are alone, it's also good for people who are alone, living alone. It's so nice to have birds and animals and fish and all for company, you know. It's very nice to have, very relaxing and very soothing.
Lady Boss